Hi guys. Yan, malapit na namin matapos guys. Yan, ganyan lang magbenta ng bote dito guys. Kalata. Yan nice guys, oh. Ganyan lang mag-counting ng lata. Lata, plastic, saka ito, yan. Yan guys. Yan, plastic bottle. Yan. Tingnan mo yung guys, oh. Ito sa log. Yan. Ito ba ito? Yan. Yan, ganyan lang mag-counting guys. Balik ka na doon mo. Tignan natin. Nasa mga 180 lang to. Magbibinta natin ngayon. Ayan guys. Yan lahat ang counting guys. Tingnan mo yung counting. Ayan. Ganyan magka-count yung machine. Makikita mo na yung total, ilang pieces, ilang dollars. Yan guys, malapit na namin matapos guys. Ayan guys, oh. Yan guys. Guys, last one. Yan lahat ng nabenta namin guys. Containers silang lahat, 1,807. Total 180.70 cents. Yan lahat na nabenta namin ngayon guys. So tapos na kami. Magwi-withdraw na kami ngayon. Ay White, all done. That's the price. Tapos lalabas dito yung resibo guys. Itong resibo na to guys, dadalhin namin doon sa machine, ATM machine, para withdrawin yung pera.
You've got a license?
Yep.
Awesome. Thanks very much.
Thanks, Mike. So, maghuhugas muna ngayon si Uncle Harry. Ganyan ka-social dito ang bintahan ng mga bote, guys. Yan. May libre ng hugasan. Tapos, may libre pang pamunas. Ayan, guys, oh. Mga pamunas nila sa kamay. Libre ang pamunas, libre hugasan. Ayan. Tapos lalagay mo dito guys. Ayan, pupunta na kami dito sa machine. Withdrawin na namin ngayon guys. Nasa 1,807 bottles at saka can. Nasa 180 ang nabenta namin guys. Hindi ko siya umabot ng 200. Pero okay lang. At least pera na. Pina-process pa guys. Kailangan pumirma. Kailangan ng driver license.
You're all sorted, mate.
Thanks, mate.
It's there.
Hey mate. Say hi to my followers and viewers.
Hi, how are we? Got the license here.
Yes, thank you, mate. Yes,
You guys
thanks,
have a good
mate.
one.
Hi, guys. Ito na, guys, oh.
Yeah.
Yan, binta namin ngayon, guys.
Nagpilisan ko kami.
Yan, binta namin ngayon, so. 50. 50. No, it's alright. It's okay. 100. 20. 40. 60. 80. Ayan, guys. 180 and 70 cents. Ayan, guys. Pauwi na kami, guys. Kumita na kami ng $180 and 70 cents. Guys, pauwi na si Uncle Harry, guys. Ayan, guys, pauwi na kami. See you next my binta, guys. Let's go. Hi, Mike.